Thank you, Madam Deputy Speaker, and I thank the Honourable Member for the question. Madam Deputy Speaker, in response, the Commercial Agricultural Development Programme was created in September 2021 to address the establishment and improvement of commercial agriculture as highlighted in the Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways Strategic Priority 4 under the 5-year Strategic Development Plan. Madam Deputy Speaker, in the 2023-2024 financial year, a total of 2 million was allocated, which supported 9 exporters and 11 food processors. This support focused on expanding processing and storage capacities through improving electricity supply with the purchase of generators, purchase of value-adding machines, cooler rooms, upgrading of infrastructure, and the purchase of solar machines. Madam Deputy Speaker, one of these supported exporters, Kaiming Limited, has managed to increase its storage capacity from 300 tons to 450 tons of mature ginger. The exporter was able to purchase an additional 150 tons of mature ginger from farmers in November 2023 and early this year, 2024. This has provided a much-needed market to accommodate the high volume of ginger crop on the ground, as I highlighted in Parliament. Following discussions with the Fiji Trade Commission in the United States, Kaiming Limited has reached an agreement with US importers to purchase mature ginger. This ginger undergoes value addition at their processing plant before export to the US market. Madam Deputy Speaker, the Ministry, through the CADP program, also supported Juice Fiji Limited with 3 ginger processing machines to increase the intake of ginger from farmers in the Doloisuva, Ngiolevu, Lamaivuna, and Tailevu areas. The company was producing 1,000-litre bottles of juice a week before the support, and it's producing up to 4,000-litre bottles a week to date. They have increased the volume of ginger purchased from 200 kilograms a week to 1 ton a week for processing. Madam Deputy Speaker, the new Valley Processors Fiji in Sambeto Nandi has been supported with a 3-phase power electricity unit to help the company process cassava, dalo, chilies and vegetables to meet the local demand as well as for exports to New Zealand and Australia. The exporter has been working together with partners in community development and 2,000 ladies from 8 districts covering Keasitu, Nandarivotu in the islands of Nandronga and Navosa to plant 200,000 bongo chili plants. With the support provided to New Valley Processors, they will now be able to process weekly 340 tons of cassava, 100 tons of nalo, 10 tons of chilies, and 10 tons of vegetables for the export market. Madam Deputy Speaker, support was also provided to Tavioka Organic Products Limited with a 3-phase electricity power unit supplied to the factory to run the production of cassava flour, the cassava flour machines. With the support provided, the company is able to produce up to 6 to 8 tons of cassava flour per day, as compared to 2 tons per day before the support was provided. Madam Deputy Speaker, as part of our ongoing commitment to help farmers access markets, the Ministry will continue to expand the support directed to food processors and exporters. On agriculture export-related projects that achieve sustainable economic growth and export competitiveness and boost value addition and diversification. Madam Deputy Speaker, the Ministry remains dedicated to decreasing the importation of dairy products, which was valued at around 90 million the last fiscal year. To this end, the Ministry has allocated 110,000 to assist in the commercialization of dairy farming operations. 21 dairy farmers have been assisted with fencing materials and dairy sheds to expand their farms to a commercial level and supply milk to the formal market. Madam Deputy Speaker, the value of wheat imports was around 140.8 million to 2023, and the Ministry has supported women groups with to the sum of 100,000 to purchase 30 machines for the production of cassava flour as a substitute to wheat flour, imported wheat flour. Support to the women groups have also been provided in the form of capacity building training on the harvesting and processing of cassava to produce flour. The broader objective is for the women groups to be formed into cooperatives and combine their flour production, firstly to meet domestic needs, then to commercialize their operations to supply cassava flour to the farmer market. Madam Deputy Speaker, 150,000 was allocated to support the commercialization of high-value crops. These include green pearl guava, dragon fruit, mango, avocado, bananas, coconut, breadfruit, and citrus, which includes oranges, lime, and lemon. Through the support, 420 farmers have been trained in fruit tree propagation techniques to rapidly increase the numbers of their trees in yield. This support also includes the establishment of nurseries and its associated capacity building trainings for farmers to improve the fruit orchards. There is a huge potential for these high-value crops to meet the hotel sector demands. However, the volume of production, consistency, and quality of these high-value crops needs to be improved before the hotel markets can be accessed. Madam Deputy Speaker, 100,000 was allocated to support 10 youth farming clusters to raise their farm operations to a commercial level. These include the provision of infrastructure materials to construct farm sheds, water tanks for rainwater harvesting. The farm sheds and water supply was provided to assist with the harvesting, processing, and storage of farm produce for the farmer markets. Madam Deputy Speaker, considering the characteristics and nature of agriculture, it is anticipated that the result of these interventions will become evident in the not too distant future. This is an opportunity to shape the future of our rural dwellers in a new era of prosperity and progress for our beloved nation. I thank you, Madam Deputy Speaker.
Thank you very much, Honourable Minister Rayalu. We have a supplementary question from Honourable Koya.